morning, welcome back to the channel. Now, I made a promise when I came on this adventure, if anybody donated £100 or more, I'd dye my beard pink. So I've got to put 5 in the morning before anyone else to make this happen, and today's the day. So I need to say a shout out and a blame, basically, to people, especially 2 people. So Steve Bolter, Duncan Pryor, this is for you guys. This is a moment, this beard I've been growing to look like I'm a homeless person. It's going pink for you guys. I think you put these on, I think they're gloves. Now, I asked the sidekick to do this as well, and he basically said no one else is going to do it. Apparently, if it burns, I need to run to the hospital because I've had a reaction. At least that's what somebody's told me. I don't know if it's true, but I'm expecting it to burn. You're supposed to put on? What, isn't that supposed to do an entire lady's long hair? More? I think I put on enough. I don't know how much you're supposed to put on, so I just put on about half of it, and I'm hoping it'll do. I don't know how long you're supposed to leave it for either. I've not read the instructions. I don't know, do you leave them for half hour? An hour? You're not letting leave it on at all? I reckon I'll just leave it on for an hour and see what happens. I reckon that's going to be enough. Or do I reckon I should put the rest of the bottle on as like a paste? Is it working yet? Is it? I don't know. We'll find out what it looks like in an hour. It's been on about half an hour. Is it supposed to itch? I really want to itch it. I really want to itch it. Oh, has it gone pink yet? It's like burn as well. Oh, that is. Oh, it's about 45 minutes. I'm really bored. The itching's gone. My face just feels a little bit numb now. Oh, I feel a little bit woozy, but that might just be because I've had like 4 or 5 hours sleep again, and I know I've got another, I don't know what we're doing today, 250, 270 miles again to the Westest Point. So if you've only just tuned in and you think what the hell is going on, if you don't know, we are raising money for the Rainbow Trust Children's Charity for seriously ill and terminally ill kids, and by doing that we have bought motorcycles for £1,000 or less and riding them around the UK like a compass. We've already hit the northern point today. Today's day 3, and day 3 we're going to the Westest Point, and that is going to be around the halfway-ish mark, and we're all exhausted already because we've covered over 830 miles. Anyway, 15 more minutes and this is coming off. Please remember, this is for raising money. There is a link down in the description if you're in anything from these videos, or if you think I'm just the biggest plonker in the world. I've achieved my goal, but please donate. The link's down there. 15 minutes. This is coming off. I don't think this is good. I'm putting more on because I've decided, looking in the mirror, I don't know if it's working or not, so I'm just going to put the whole bottle on. It's got to be pink, innit? Steve Bolter, Duncan Pryor. Between them, like, they've donated 300 quid. So it's got to be good, innit? You're supposed to put more on after like nearly an hour. don't know. Surely it'll be alright, won't it? It's got to be 11 out of 10 as well. Be fine. Face is gone numb anyway, so it doesn't make any difference at this point, is it? And I feel more awake. It's been an hour of standing outside in the cold, walking around in circles. Another hour. Just to make sure it's pink.
Oh dear. What have you... You're supposed to take it off in 20 minutes.
I've been here for an hour.
What are you doing?
Oh, I'm trying to get it pink.
You do know it's supposed to get on your skin as well?
You know?
No.
That'd be alright then, wouldn't it? That'd be alright. It started to burn, it's gone numb. Maybe I should take it off now.
No, that's fine.
Another hour?
Yeah, I reckon it'll be fine after that, yeah.
Another hour. Wait. It's working then.
It's definitely changing colour.
Have I made a bit of this?
No, I'm sure it'll be alright. Just how long's it been on?
Just over an hour now. I started off with a bit, and used half a bottle, and I just stick the whole lot on.
Yeah,
Right.
it'll be alright. Give it another 20 minutes and give it a wash off. I think you'll be alright.
It did start burning, and then it went numb, then it itched.
Did you did read the instructions, yeah?
No.
No?
You don't read instructions, do you? Have you ever read instructions on a flat pack?
Of course, I say know how to put it together.
No, I just put the bolts in it and it's alright. It lasts for about a year.
Well, yeah, you'll be alright. It's looking good.
Right. Wash it off.